Okay, boys, this is John Kerry, 1963 Jag, making a little video here. I wanted to let you know that my wife really surprised me the other day. She came home from Costco with a little red tractor for me. And I'm a city boy. I don't really know even how to ride a tractor or drive a tractor. But, you know, we're in California, so just get ready. Here it comes. There's my little red tractor right there.
18 square inches of grass.
This is a California tractor right here. It's called Tractor Shed Red. It's a family-owned wine from California. Isn't that cute? I thought you guys would like that.